Generating high-quality AI videos is difficult and expensive. You often have to regenerate clips multiple times, quickly burning through credits. Some platforms offer unlimited generations, but most use older, lower-quality models. I found one that gives you unlimited images and videos using strong models like Nano Pro, GPT Image 2, and Kling 2.6. After using it for the past few days, I can honestly say it's a game changer. In this video, I'll show you a hybrid workflow that combines unlimited generations with paid credits, and how to get great results while using as few credits as possible. Let's have a quick look at a sequence I made, where the first part of the video was made entirely with unlimited generations, completely free, while the second part using credits.
I just wanted some coffee.
As you might have spotted, I've been using Artlist to generate this sequence, as they just added their new unlimited plan. We'll come back to that shortly, but let's break down the sequence and see how this new unlimited plan can help you create high-quality videos faster without worrying about your credits. Oh, I added a link below if you want to check out Artlist. And if you sign up using that link, you'll get a discount. Now, let's have a look at the sequence. So you might have noticed that the beginning of the sequence, where the young woman pulls up at the gas station and approaches the door, was generated using the unlimited option, while the music video part and only 2 scenes of the young woman was generated using credits, specifically using Seedance 2.0. So I created most of these generations inside Artlist Studio using Nano Pro and 2K for the images, because one of the big advantages here is that you can choose professional camera settings, like the ARRI Alexa 35 with a Lomo Anamorphic lens, which gives it a nice cinematic feel. The workflow is simple. I generate as many images as I want for free using the unlimited models. Once I find a shot I like, I then generate the video clip, in this case using Kling 2.6, as it also generates sound and voice. Now I can test out several prompts to make sure I get the exact scene I have in mind. And as I have unlimited credits, I can generate multiple clips without worrying about my credits running out. Now, for a more professional project, you can do the exact same thing, but even add the final video prompt and use Seedance 2.0 to get higher quality video, sound, and stronger character consistency. This hybrid approach lets you explore and experiment without burning through credits, and only invest in shots that actually work. The unlimited image models available include Nano Pro, Nano 2, GPT Image 2, and Seedance 5.0. These are the 4 models I use to generate almost all of my generations anyway. For the video clips, I only used Kling 2.6 in 1080p on the unlimited plan, as it used to be my go-to video generator. But you also have unlimited video generations on models like the new WAN 2.7, Grok, various Kling models, and LTX 2.3 Pro. And all of these models are really strong. For the music video sequence, I used Seedance 2.0, as it is the best one to create highly dynamic scenes at the moment. What really surprised me was how many generations you get for free. I only used around 250 fast generations of the included 4,000, while my credits did not move. The best workflow is simple. Use the unlimited models to experiment and test as many prompts and images as you want. Once you find a shot you like, now test the video prompts with the unlimited models like Kling 2.6. And when you're happy with the outcome, only then spend credits on a stronger model like Kling 3.0 or Seedance 2.0 to get the final high-quality result, with a stronger character consistency and video quality in general. One quick note. Even though you can generate music videos with an OK lip sync, using Seedance 2.0, there is a way to make the lip sync even more realistic using Artlist's new lip sync tool, which we'll have a look at in a future video. Thank you to Artlist for sponsoring this video and continuing to add amazing AI tools. If you want to see more about Artlist, I recommend you to check out this video right here. And remember to check the link below where you'll get a discount if you sign up to Artlist using that link. And always remember, AI generates, you choose.